Hey, you guys! It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today, we have a little Secret Santa gift option deal thingamabobber, whatever. Basically, my work is holding like what they're calling a sneaky Santa, and it's just the women getting together on a certain day during lunch, and the prerequisite is you buy a gift that's worth $25, and then you pick a number and that person picks a wrapped gift and then they open it, and then the next person picks a gift and they open it and they can steal the first person's, and blah 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 all the way around. And then I guess the last person to open can steal, and then it goes back to the first person, and then they have the ultimate way of stealing or whatever. Anyway, doing this video because I have 3 gift options that are $25 and under that you could use for something like this. I am using one of them, and then the other 2 are I did buy a gift for another person, and then I don't even know what I'm going to do with the other one. But these are all from the gate, and so if you are interested, I will have links in the description box. Again, this is under $25. Nothing was over $25 even with the shipping at the time that I bought these, and I received them all in really good time, hence why this video is being made right now. So let's jump into it. The first one is the one that I'm actually going to be doing for the Secret Sneaky Santa giveaway game or whatever. It is from Celine. This is a brand I don't usually purchase, but I thought this was like a nice brand to like have for a multitude of people, so it wasn't so jarring when they open up something and it says Prada or Louis Vuitton or something like that. This is something that's like maybe a little bit more universal yet still really high end. I know you can get this at Saks Fifth Avenue, and again, this was in the $20 to $25 range. The rules are it has to be at least worth $25, not if you spent $25, because people get it on sale and stuff. But this is what I chose. So this is, if you couldn't guess, a pair of sunglasses, and it does come in a really cute little branded white box. And then when you open it, you do have a really nice little sunglasses case. It's like keeping in the white theme. There is also an authenticity card down in there. But let's go ahead and see what these ones look like. So when you open up the glasses case, here's what it looks like. I went with like a tortoise shell because, again, I thought that could be like more universal. Not everyone like me loves to wear like black flashy sunglasses. So I went with a style that was like a little bit more universal. And then the glasses case is branded on the inside, and it does come with a branded cleaning cloth. So here are the glasses. They are actually, I really do like this shape. It's a classic style, but also kind of modern, but also retro. Like, I really do like this shape. And the tortoise shell on it is very, very pretty. So you got the little Celine logo there in the front. It is branded with the logos on each side of the glasses arms. And then right there you see Celine made in Italy. So let's try these babies on. Yeah, I wouldn't be mad if I ended up with these myself. I thought that this was like, kind of a classic gift that everyone can use a pair of sunglasses, right? So like, I thought that this would be a good one. Comment down below if you open these in a white elephant Secret Santa type thing, if you would be happy to receive those. And then I think with just the whole package with the case and the gift box, it's gonna go over pretty well. I mean, at least I hope. Like, that's the whole thing. Like, I don't know. I'm sure everyone, when we're opening the gifts, is going to be like, oh, I bought that. And then, like, there's going to be, like, this fake pair of sunglasses. I'm going to be like, I bought that. Still, not something that you can just go out and buy. So, I mean, I would be happy to receive it. The next item is also a pair of sunglasses. This is a pair of Chanel sunglasses. I've had really good luck with Chanel sunglasses off of the gate, and I believe I bought this from the same seller that I've bought almost all of my sunglasses on. Everything arrived like very nicely packaged in a box with like wrapping paper and foam. It was a great experience. I knew that the product was going to be very well, maintained inside the mailing box. But I bought these for a friend because I don't know them so well, but I work with them. So I thought this would be just like really, really cute. And she has indicated to me that she loves the color white. And so you'll see how that plays into this. And very nice Chanel gift box. I can feel the kind of embossing on there with the white bottom. And then when we open it up, you do get a really nice quilted pattern Chanel glasses case. And all of the extras, you've got, like a little pamphlet, you've got the authenticity card, and a branded glasses wipe in there as well. So here is the case. It's got the little CC logo on there. It's quilted all the way around. And then let's open these babies up. Look how cute these are. So the glasses case is branded there, and then let's take these guys out. I just thought that these were really, really cute, and this again is a very like traditional glasses style. It's nothing too wild or fancy, and it is in like a white plastic, which, is pretty chic. But what's really cool is on the arms here, we've got 3 little Chanel logos. So we've got the classic chrysanthemum, we've got the pearl, and then we've got a little heart with the CC logo in there, and it is on both sides. And then on the inside, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but it does say Chanel, made in Italy. Let's try these ones on. I don't know, guys. I really love sunglasses. If you couldn't tell, I really do dig a nice sunglasses. I really do like these. I like these a lot. And she told me that her and her family are going to the Dominican Republic for Christmas. So I thought this would be really cute for her to like throw in her bag and take with her on vacation. So again, these were under $25 and super cute. I like these ones a lot. All right, the final item, not sunglasses, but this is a little LV Pochette bag. And listen, I kind of had the sneaky Santa thing in mind, but also I just wanted to see what it looked like. It was under $25. I wanted to see, what I could get for $25. And it said that it came in a gift box. So I was like, I'm just gonna see what it looks like. It does unfortunately have the little, China tag on the box here. I don't know if that is removable. I don't want to try and ruin the box right now. This one did come in like a mailing package. It wasn't a box, so it is a little tiny beat up. But I mean, if you were like giving this in just an anonymous thing, it's still not that bad. So let's see here. You open up the box like these. Okay, so it looks like we do get a little dust bag. It's not the most high quality dust bag. I've seen some better Louis ones, but then again, I was spending way over $25. You got all the stuff in here, a little pamphlet, looks like an actual like tag, and then some literature that has Chinese writing on it. All right, so here's the dust bag. It's nothing really fancy. Let's pull the bag out. Oh, okay, it's wrapped in paper. What do you know? So wrapped in paper, it's got a little sticker there. I'm gonna try and I don't wanna rip it. So in case I do ever wanna gift it away, I'm just gonna slide it out. I know. I got the pink one. Listen, not that I carry this color a lot, but I am wearing a lot more browns and beiges and stuff. And I thought this would be like a really cute little pop of color if I decided I wanted to keep it. You've got the emboss. It's actually like pretty nice material. It doesn't feel super cheap. It's like almost like a PVC leather. You can see it is kind of like pebbled, and you can see that the design does go upside down. So it's supposed to be like one piece of material all the way around. And it does have like a little button there that does in fact say Louis Vuitton. So let's open this up. You open it up and okay, we've got some things in here. Got a little kind of pouch. It's just a very thin zippered pouch in the same material. You also have a card holder. So that one has some card slots on it. It does say Louis Vuitton kind of right there, and it does open up. So I guess this is kind of like a wallet. You can stick your cards and cash in there. That's not too bad. And then let's pull the chain out. Upon first glance, this gold actually isn't too bad. I was a little worried that for the price point, you were going to get that like yellow gold. But this is actually, well, it looks a little bit more yellow on camera. But this is actually like a pretty decent, I actually like the color of this gold. It's not kinky either, which is like a nice thing. It's just one deep pocket. You've got the little Louis Vuitton tag right there. And then this is also a pocket. So yeah, lots of storage options in this little bag because you've got the deep pocket, this inside pocket, and then you've got the two little wallet pieces to go inside here. So that's actually not too bad. And then let's try the snap. Snap works really good. This is really cute, actually. Not too bad. Could definitely wear it as a crossbody. I'm not going to stand up because I've got sweatpants on. That's the magic of YouTube. But it's really, really cute. It's definitely long enough to wear as a crossbody. You could definitely wear it on your shoulder as well. And yeah, pretty impressed with this little guy for 25 bucks. If you were looking for something a little understated, but like still kind of cute, not bad. I'm just gonna slide that paper back on there. Not a terrible little buy here, especially since I got all three of these things for under $75. Because actually, I didn't pay $25 for any of these. I think they were like closer to like the $22 mark, $24 mark with all shipping and tax and everything. So yeah, we've got the little Louis Vuitton pochette bag. We got those really cute Chanel sunglasses. And then the Celine sunglasses that I am going to use in my Secret Santa game. So actually, not too shabby today. That's all I have for you today, guys. I will link my gate playlist in the description box below. I'll also link my Sunday baggage playlist in case anyone is interested in seeing more high-ender stuff, like, you know. I will also have all these products linked in the description box, as always. So feel free to shop responsibly if you are interested, or just browse around and see what else you find. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on what you thought of these items, or if you got one of them in a Secret Santa game, or what a good idea for a Secret Santa gift, or something that you've ever received, that would be awesome. And if you can subscribe, so you can follow all these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.
Sorry ass DJ.